Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see more friends posts on Facebook. So now on Facebook, if you scroll down to your home page, you can see there are lots of posts feeds not from your friends. For example, this one I'm not following or I'm not friends with this account, but it's shown on my homepage. So if you want to see only your Facebook friends posts, this is what you need to do. You need to click on your profile at the top right corner, and in here on the shortcut you can see this is the feeds option, so tap on that. Here there are lots of category, so if you want to see only just your friends feeds, you can just click on friends. And as you guys can see here, these are my friend feeds. So in here there are lots of posts from my friends, only my friends, and that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.